Okay, folks, welcome to part two of our acrylic painting techniques. For masking, take some tape and use scissors and cut into shapes and just tear some, and we'll come back to that later. Sgraffito, we're also going to need to come back to later. So add a layer of a light, a white, and a dark color onto the paper, and then we're going to paint over it after it dries. When it comes to masking, you can just sort of play with the paint. You can use any colors you like, mix colors, blend colors, just mess around. For dry brush, put some paint on your brush and then wipe it off on a paper towel. And you want to get a splotchy, dry brush technique. All right, double loading. This one is not sped up. So you're going to dip one corner of your brush in one color, another corner in another color, and then as you paint, it will blend the two colors together, which can be handy for soft edges. Try doing different colors, try using a color and white, try making squiggles and swirls, and also try this technique with a round brush. So I started with a flat brush, also try it with a round. All right, now our sgraffito area is dry, so we're going to paint over it with another color, and then use the back of your brush to scratch through the scratch through the wet paint. You can draw lines or write words, and then once your masking area is dry, you can also remove the tape there. Now go to the top of the paper and work on the gradient. You're going to start with black and work your way across the paper over to white. Now notice how I start at one end, then I go to the other. This is going to take a lot of layers, mixing. It's not something you're going to complete in one pass. So watch how many times I go back and forth over these colors to create a gradient.